Let's learn the V stitch. So here's my sloth. We're going to go up at the top of the V from the bottom to the top, and we're going to go down at the point of the V. And then we're going to come back up at the other side of the V, the line on the other side, and we're going to come back down at that point. And that's all you do. You just follow that V pattern up and down. Just remember, just like the first stitch, you want to definitely try to do your V's in groups and not all over the place, to just to save your thread. So I try to do them in either a little row or a little grouping and then move on to a second grouping. There are other types of stitches on other kits that I make. The Fox kit has some W's on his little tummy, and I'm going to show you how I attack those stitches as well, just to make sure that everybody who has their kits can succeed in stitching them. So let me change over to the Fox, and here he is. You can see he has some W and V stitches. V's are going to be the same way. W's are going to be similar. You're going to go from the bottom to the top at the top of the first part of the W, and then you're going to take your stitch down to the point of the W, and then you'll go to the middle part of the W, and you're just going to keep following those lines up and down on the points and finish each W or V before you go on to the next one. So you're just going to cover those letters or marks the way that you would just following it up and down. And just make sure that you go up and down opposite of what you just stitched. So if you go down in an area, don't go up in that same area, or you're going to just take your thread out and it won't be secure. On the raccoon, I have what I call bird's feet stitches, and those are just a V stitch, so up and down on the left side, up and down on the right side, and then I finish this little bird's foot off with the middle part of the stitch, as you can see here. And it's just a different stitch that gives you a different type of texture. So let me know what stitches you like to do and have fun with this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and, of course, crafty creature walkthroughs. Happy stitching!